All right, howdy folks. So a little bit different video today. I just want to show you a quick home repair that I troubleshooted myself through. I'm sure I'm going to get your appliance specialist that's going to give me a lot of negative feedback, but here's how I determined what was going on. So I have a Whirlpool high efficiency sensory dryer. So what it was doing, it was not, the light was working and everything inside the dryer, and you could hear the timer working, but nothing was starting up. The dryer was not starting up. Let me show you. So you turn the timer on, and you can actually hear the timer going back here. Then you go to start it, and nothing works. Now I did all the pushing the door switch in and make sure that was good. So I ended up taking the control panel back, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is the relay for the door switch. That's the first thing I checked. I ohmed it out. That's fine. There's plenty of videos online, YouTube, if you want to know how to ohm something out. So that was fine. So I took the back cover off the dryer, and through research, I found this. This plugs into right here. This is a thermal fuse, and it had these two blue wires that hook to it. This is just a fuse. So you need a multimeter to test your fuse. So you should want to test the prongs on the fuse. And you should get a beep if the fuse is good. Something like that. Of course we don't. Now here's where the electricians and the appliance specialists are going to probably come after me. But here's how you test. If you think the fuse is bad, here's your way to test to see if the dryer is still good or if anything else is wrong. The two blue wires that hook to that fuse, you want to connect them together. You know, get you a little gator clip or some electrical tape and tie them together because that fuse breaks the circuit between these two wires. So I got the two blue wires connected. Then I'm going to plug it back in. Then you're going to turn the timer on, turn it on, and she starts up. Now, this is probably the most basic thing to check. If you're not comfortable with electricity, you probably don't want to check this, but this is a very simple fix. This is going to be a $3 or $4 part. I could put it on. Now, I will say, if the fuse pops again pretty quick or immediately something else is going on with your dryer, you'll want to get a professional out. So this dryer is 10 years old, so more than likely the fuse could have just been worn, or you could have overheated through a dirty dryer vent or something like that. But this is a quick, cheap repair. If the timer on your dryer is still working and everything else still works, it just will not start. Try replacing the fuse, try testing it. I hope this helps. So this is Chris with Elon and Life and Appliance Specialist. Y'all have a good day.